In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a document on Pandadoc. We'll walk through this process from inside your Pandadoc account so that by the end, you'll know exactly how to download a copy of any document and keep it stored safely on your own computer or local drive. First, start on your Pandadoc dashboard and head over to the Documents tab. This is where all of your existing documents live, whether they're drafts, sent, viewed, or completed. Take a moment to find the specific document you want to save. You can scroll through the list, or if you have a lot of files, use the search bar or filters to quickly narrow things down by name or status. Once you've located it, click on the document to open it in the editor. When the document opens, you'll see the main editor area in the center, and along the top, a toolbar with several options. Look toward the top left corner of the editor, just below the name of your document. Here, you'll find the File button. This is where Pandadoc groups many of the actions related to your document. Go ahead and click on File to open a drop-down menu. After you click File, a menu will appear with different options you can use to work with your document. From this list, look for the option labeled Download. This is the action that allows you to save a copy of the document outside of Pandadoc. Click on Download to move to the next step. Once you choose Download, Pandadoc will prompt you to select a format. For saving a finalized copy that's easy to share, print, or store, choose PDF. The PDF format keeps your layout, content, and design consistent, making sure that what you see in Pandadoc is exactly what others will see when they open the file. Select PDF, and your browser will begin downloading the document to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, the file may automatically appear in your Downloads folder, or you might be asked where you'd like to save it. Either way, it's a good habit to rename the file clearly and place it in a folder where you can easily find it later, especially if you handle a lot of documents. And that's all there is to it. Open your document, use the File menu, choose Download, and select PDF to save it to your local drive.